This right here is the all-new Hotwav Cyber 15, a smartphone that closes the gap between budget and mid-range, and also durability. This phone is built to withstand the test of time with an overall good performance. It is the same brand that made this monster battery. This right here is the W11. So if you haven't watched the video yet, please kindly do so after watching this one. This one is also a rugged smartphone, but it is the best one yet. You get a secondary screen behind where you can easily navigate through some apps and also take a photo amongst other options. This smartphone comes with a 200 megapixels main camera. The processor here is MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor with a total of 12 gigs of RAM and also a 32 megapixels camera and a 6280 milliamps battery. Now, specs aside, the real question is this phone actually good? How is the performance? And also, should I buy this smartphone? Now, these are questions I'm going to be answering in this video. For the unboxing experience, it looks exactly like the W11 box, but you have a different content. Out of the box, you have the Cyber 15 smartphone. Honestly, it doesn't look like anything we've seen before. And then you get a 33 watts fast charger. So I've had this smartphone for quite a while now, and it is my daily smartphone. The way it handles most tasks without complaining or lagging behind is really impressive. And apart from gaming, video editing is another heavy task for me, and the performance here is very good. And it is also a very good gaming smartphone. The Helio G99 processor here is backed up with a game mode feature that really speeds up and also enhances your gaming experience. At first, I thought it was a joke, seeing a rugged smartphone with such a good performance. I used to think that rugged smartphones, the way they're actually built is the main function is to withstand water, dust, and all of that. But the overall performance of this smartphone is really something else. And I think it has actually changed my ideas about rugged smartphones. Seriously, it has. Another amazing feature of this smartphone is the price. It is officially launched today and also available on sale on Aliexpress. Now, the buying link is included in this video description. If I were you, I would jump right in and get a huge discount. The design and build of this phone is crafted with style in mind. Now, this is the bronzed gold color and it is really attractive, seeing it for the first time. So despite being a rugged smartphone, it is beautiful and lightweight. It weighs in about 292 grams with a thin design. The build defies water, dust, and accidental drops. So you don't need to worry about getting any parts replaced if this phone falls off your hand. So all sides of this smartphone is fully covered to prevent water and some certain dirt. But there is something else I actually noticed about this smartphone. With all the coverings here, with all the coverings on this smartphone, using it for a long time, you would expect that it should actually heat up, but reverse is the case. In my experience, I did everything with this smartphone. Video editing, gaming, multitasking, you name it. The only noticeable change was just decrease in battery life, but it did not heat up in any way. So despite being a rugged smartphone, they also provided proper ventilation for the smartphone, and that is really impressive. You have the volume keys and the power button that doubles up as the fingerprint unlock. And on the left, you have a button that you can customize. And above it is the SIM card tray. Underneath the phone, there is a microphone that cancels noise. This seal exposes the USB-C port. This phone's display is a 6.6 inches Full HD Plus display, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, so which means it is definitely scratch proof. Now, this is a 2K display that refreshes up to 120 Hz. So imagine how fast and responsive it's going to get. And also, given the amount of RAM here, you can easily expand the 12 gigs of RAM here to make up a total of 24 gigabytes. With a 256 gigs here, multitasking is definitely a breeze. And if you look away from the large bezels and consider the color reproduction, this display is ideal for media consumption, and it has good details. The notch houses a 32 megapixels selfie camera. And speaking of camera, this right here is a 200 megapixels camera, and it performed very well in my experience. This one is a 64 megapixels, a W11, but we're not talking about a W11. Not only is it my daily smartphone, I use this smartphone to shoot most of my recent short content, either for Instagram or Facebook. And I bet you guys, you haven't seen how colorful those videos are. And if you're watching this video right now, I think it's time you should subscribe to my channel. Seriously, just touch the subscribe button. It is totally free. Thank you very much. So these are sample pictures taken with this phone's camera. They have good colors and high dynamic range is present. Portrait pictures are okay, especially in good light condition. And then you have the 24 megapixels night vision camera. Despite having no color, you can easily tell how clear and detailed the picture qualities are. This phone's camera shoots 2K videos at 30 frames and also 1080p videos. So for good quality, I prefer shooting at 2K for good details and also colorful results. Now this is a 32 megapixels front-facing camera of the Hotwav Cyber 15. It's actually raining and I have no problem using this smartphone under rain, under sun. It is IP68 and IP69K rated. So what do you guys think of the color reproduction and also the sound that you're hearing? It's coming out from the Hotwav Cyber 15. What do you guys think of the overall picture quality? Let me know in the comment. See guys, this phone is really impressive. And despite being a rugged smartphone, I think it can stand up to most competitions in the market. Considering the overall performance and the price, it is really affordable. And also the performance, you won't be disappointed. But before then, I would like for you to tell me what you think about the Hotwav Cyber 15. And also, if you get to buy this smartphone, please come back to this video and share your experience. I love you so much guys, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.